The fight against COVID ramping up as cases surge nationwide. We are averaging almost 90,000 new cases every day, up 33% from last week as the Delta variant spreads quickly. Many towns and cities in Connecticut are responding to the uptick. The latest, New Haven. It's bringing back its indoor mask mandate, which goes into effect at midnight. Fox 61's Angela Bavaro has the details.
Signs like this telling you to mask up will be a more common sight throughout the Elm City on Monday as a new indoor mandate goes into effect.
We've had the mask mandate within municipal buildings ever since basically COVID started, and we've continued even during the recent months when the cases were low. But we will be expanding that to places where people are likely to potentially expose other people to COVID.
Mayor Justin Elicker says those places include establishments such as bars, restaurants, theaters, and office buildings where social distancing is not possible. The order applies to everybody, regardless of vaccination status.
I felt that was the right thing to do. You know what I mean? Especially, I'm going around my kids and stuff. You know what I mean? So, no. Plus, I'm out here in the streets. I don't want to get nobody else sick. I'm definitely not trying to die.
The new policy follows an executive order signed by Governor Lamont that allows municipalities to implement their own mask rules.
We have some towns that have 99% of their people vaccinated and some towns that have less than 50%. And as the mayor said, I think mayors and first selectmen ought to have a little more discretion.
New Haven and Hartford counties have both been placed in the CDC's high transmission category of COVID-19. That is the most severe category, defined by 100 or more cases per 100,000 people, or a positivity rate of 10% or higher in the past 7 days. New Haven health officials say nearly 2/3 of eligible residents are vaccinated, but rates are still lagging among younger people.
But right now, this virus is a historic disease that does not care about race, socioeconomic, or your age. This is targeting all communities, regardless of that.
In Hartford, Mayor Luke Bronin says he's in talks with neighboring towns to possibly implement a team mask enforcement effort.
There's some value in doing this stuff statewide, but as I said yesterday, we also welcome the flexibility and the authority to make the decisions that we think are right for our community.
At this point, Mayor Bronin is urging residents to mask up inside when they're around other people, regardless of what category the city is in. And he's also encouraging all eligible residents to get vaccinated ASAP. Angelo Bavaro, Fox 61 News.